Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Balance and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should be the sun icon. This is the screen brightness icon, and if you want to adjust the brightness, you need to tap on this icon. It will open the slider, but before we continue, by default probably the auto brightness will be enabled, and if it's enabled and you change the brightness, it will disable automatically apparently, but sometimes on some watches actually it won't disable. So if you change the brightness, it will stay on auto and it will go back to the level the watch thinks is the best when you according to your surrounding light. So if you want the brightness to stay at the same level you set it to, remember to disable the auto brightness. In this case it turns off automatically if you adjust it, so it's not a problem, but on some watches it is. So disable the auto brightness, adjust the brightness, and then you can press the back button or rather crown button to go back to watch face. You can also change this through the settings. So if you open the menu by pressing the crown button, scroll through it, find the settings icon, tap on the settings icon, here find the option called display and tap on it, and then tap on brightness, and it will bring you to this menu and you can adjust the brightness to your liking. And then of course you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.